Hey guys, it's Rhonda, and in this video, we are inside of Etsy. I had a few requests to create a video showing how to set up various types of sales, like stack discounts. So I thought that's what we do today. So once you log into your Etsy shop manager, you're going to come down on the left to marketing, and you're going to click on sales and discounts. So, what we have in here are different ways that you can create sales and create different discounts. All right. So, obviously, you have these automated ones here that Etsy sets up for you, your abandoned cart, thank you, favorite item. And then you can also create promo codes. But the promo codes, those require a shopper to take an extra step by entering a promo code. So I don't really use those. What I typically use, and we'll scroll down even more, is the run a sale or the set an order minimum. Okay. And you can also do the bundle. So I'm going to show you how to set up each one of these. All right. We're going to start with run a sale. Now, I prefer to run 24-hour sales. That way, every time a new shopper sees a listing, it tells them that it's on sale right now, but it's only going to be on sale for the next X amount of hours. All right. And I vary this every day. I don't do the same discount every day. I change it every day. So I'll usually sit down on a Sunday and schedule my sales for the entire week. So to do that, and like I said, I prefer doing these 24 hours because it creates the FOMO effect, the fear of missing out. And, it might entice your browser to turn into a buyer. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to set one of these up. And we're going to do a percentage off. And, you can do anything you want. Doesn't really matter. I usually will just randomly pick a discount for each day. And like I said, I'll come in usually on Sundays and do my sales for the following week. But I always leave one day with no sales because Etsy does have some rules about keeping your shop always on sale. So I just randomly pick a day. It doesn't, and I change that every week too. I don't want people to get comfortable and just say, oh, okay, I know it's always going to be 50% off on Friday, so I'm only going to shop on Friday. And I always know that it's going to be 30% off on Tuesdays. And I know that she never runs a sale on a Monday. I don't want that. I want it to be different all the time. So people can't get comfortable and just say, well, I'm only going to shop this day because this is the day she has the best sale. Well, you don't know that because I change it all the time. All right. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to start doing my sales. So percentage off, just pick what you want. Typically, I start with 30% off. The offer is valid everywhere. And I'm going to come in here and say, today is the day, and today is the day it ends. And then I just give it today's date and the percentage off. So 02, 01, 30. Okay. And continue all listings, review and confirm, and create sale. And that's done. And then I'll come back in here and percentage off. And let's say, tomorrow I'll do 40%. No, tomorrow I will do 45% for Groundhog Day. Why not? And we'll do 0202, 45, continue all listings, confirm and create sale. Done. Now, I don't want to run my sale, let's say Wednesday. That's the day I don't want to run a sale at all. So let's see what we're going to do. We just did 45. Let's do 35. And we're going to skip Tuesday. All right. We just did today, tomorrow, and let's skip Tuesday. So our next sale date is Wednesday. So 0204 and 35. And you just do it like that. It takes a few minutes to set up an entire week's worth of sales. Okay. Then you can also have the option for the set and order minimum. So let's look at that next. going to click into there, and you can choose different ways to do this. So it's telling you, they have to choose the discount and the minimum shoppers have to buy in order to get it. And you can do this either by the number of items or by how much they spend. So we will just click next and you can decide how much. So let's say 50% off if they buy 5 items. Okay. If that's not what you want to do, then you could do order total, 50% off when they spend $20. It's completely up to you. I prefer to do the number of items when I run this kind of discount. So if they buy 5 items, they get a 50% discount. And you can have this run for, I believe it's up to 30 days. So we can start it today. And let's see. Yeah, about 30 days is all you can do. So I would set this to the maximum. And where is the offer valid? Everywhere. And just create discount. And that's it. You're done. It's all set up. Okay. That's really simple to do as well. And then bundle items together. You can add particular listings up to 3. And if they buy all 3 of these, then they get the discount. So we can click on add listing. So let's say I want to, let's say, I know I have several sea turtle files. So let's say I want to, if they buy this guy, we'll take all 3 of these 3 sea turtle SVG files. Hit continue. If they buy all 3 of these, they can get them for 35% off, okay? Or 50% off if they buy those 3. And then we can just, once you're happy with what you have here, just click create offer and it's done. And you can do this more than once. You can do this for different ones. So you can create different bundles. So I have these stencils that I made years ago that I really need to redo the thumbnails for and everything. So if you buy all 3 of these stencils, again, you can get 50% off. So we'll just hit create offer and done. So there's a lot of different ways that you can incentivize people to make a purchase in your shop. You can do, like I said, the basic 24-hour FOMO, don't miss out sales. You can do the order minimum sales or the bundles, or you can run all of them at one time. If you are running regular sales and the order minimums, Etsy will only give the shopper the best coupon. It won't stack them. Okay. So don't worry about ending up with nothing because you are already running a 50% off sale. And then they turned around and they purchased 5 items and got 50% off. They're not going to get more than 50% off. Okay. So that's how you set up these different types of sales. I encourage you to set up some sales like this. It will most definitely draw attention to your shop and quite possibly generate some more sales for you. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments and I'll answer them as best I can. As always, thank you so much for watching. Take a second to like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.